What is super key? In DBMS, super key is a term that is a set of column names that helps to identify the particular row uniquely. Consider the below table called students. Here the column names are roll number, name, email and phone number. Here let's consider the phone number column. Yes, we know each student has different phone number. No two student has same phone number. Unless they are given their parent number, they both belongs to same family. So phone number can be super key. Email address. Yes, we know no two student has the same for email address. Hence, email address is a unique. We can consider email is a super key. When it comes to name, we can say like name cannot be super key because we know, let's consider the roll number 101 and 103. Both the roll numbers has the same name called Ammu. So name column can be, the values of the name column can be repeated. Hence it is not super key. Consider this column roll number. As seeing this table, we can come to a conclusion. This roll number is a primary key. A primary key is a super key. Hence, this roll number is a super key. Once we found this roll number with a combination of previously founded super keys can also a super key possibilities. Consider roll number and email, roll number and phone, roll number, email, phone. These all are the possible super keys of the table. Key points to remember. Every table must have at least one super key. Consider this below table roll number, first name, middle name and last name. Here, first name. As I told in the previous example, we are not going to consider name as a super key because it could be repeated. First name, middle name, last name. There is a possibilities two student has a same name called Ammu as a first name, Vidya as a middle name and Kumari as a last name. So we cannot consider name as a super key. Hence roll number is a super key of this table and we know this roll number is a primary key. So the first point get become true. Every table must have at least one super key. That super key is a primary key of the table. All primary keys are super keys, but not all super keys are primary key. Here in this table we have roll number, first name, middle name and last name. We have the roll number as a super key because this roll number is a uniquely identified. We know by just seeing this table we can, when we come to a conclusion, this roll number is the primary key of the table. Hence this primary key also a super key in this particular table. In this before example, we have roll number, name, email and phone number. We have so many possibilities of this super keys: phone, email, roll number and name, roll number and email, roll number and phone, roll number, email and phone. We cannot have these many possibilities as a primary key. Hence, all the super keys are not a primary key, but primary key can be a super key. Here, primary key of the table is roll number, and we know, yes, this roll number is a super key.